Whoa. What's wrong? I need to take this guy off first. There we go. I really should have put all the small screws that I took out back into their holes. Now I know exactly where they go back to. In the grand scheme of things, as long as I don't try to force one into a hole it doesn't belong in, I should be okay. Screwdriver. Screwdriver's a little slick. A little spring in this one too. Oh, see, this one actually feels good. Not been that bad. Alright. Yeah, if you look how much more, like, not super stiff like this one is. This one is borderline dry rotted from all the rust. Okay. That's just a stop. Looks like there's some crud in there. So we're gonna go ahead and slip this guy in. Okay. So there we go. Got all those parts in there. I'm going to bag and tag some of these parts here so I don't lose them. And when a rebuild kit gets in, we'll do another video of reassembling it. So now it's time to clean up. Like I said, bag and tag these. Take a picture of my note because I'll probably use that piece of paper. And yeah, there's the bug. You'll see some videos on that is making a weird noise. I finally got it street worthy and driving it the other day, and it's making a weird noise. Sounds like a loose suspension component, but I stopped and got under it and started shaking things around, and I can't find it. So got to lift it up in the air. I'll probably take it to my buddy's house with a car lift. Then we'll lift it up and we'll see what we can find. But man, so this is about a 40-minute video. Not what I was expecting, but if you're watching, thanks for sticking through it. Hopefully it helped out a little bit. There's lots of resources online, but I really find it helpful to watch a video and see someone actually, take the screw out that they were pointing to or suggesting in a picture and everything else. So stay tuned for the next one. All right, bye.